start to flow. Chains unbind, hearts start to glow. The name of Jesus fills the air. Every wound finds healing there. I've seen the broken rise again. I felt His mercy wash my sin. There's fire in the whisper and freedom in His name.
You are healed, you are free in His love eternally.
No more fear, no disease. Every storm bows at His feet.
Every cell restored in light. Dark today, wrong to right. Every curse undone tonight. He's the way, the truth, the life. Depression fades, anxiety flees, addiction breaks. You're down on your knees, the Spirit breathes and you believe. You're not broken, you're redeemed. You are healed, you are free, you are loved beyond degree. Every pain, every tear He has seen, He is near. In the name above all names, Jesus Christ still heals today.
You are healed, you are free. Heaven's breath inside of thee. Chains are dust beneath your feet. Wholeness sings your heart complete.
By His stripes we are healed.
You are free.
Isaiah
His
33.
breath inside of thee.
By His word we are healed.
Beneath your feet.
Oh, wholeness sings your heart complete. By His stripes we are healed. Isaiah 33. By His word we are restored. You are healed, you are free.